Good morning, Tamara. I hope everyone's having a good start to their Friday. Now, it's a good movie day, a lot of rain, a lot of clouds, and there's some flooding in low-lying areas already occurring in portions of the Delta. You can see right here in Renova and Bolivar County. Thank you, Randolph, for this photo. There's going to be more scenes like this as we move forward through the rest of the day because, yeah, there's plenty of rain out there, really from South Carolina all the way back into Texas, and we have a warm front starting to move to the north, and this is providing a bounty of moisture for really much of the northern half of Mississippi, southern Arkansas, and northern Louisiana. So if you don't have to travel out, if you can work from home, might not be a terrible idea because here comes more rain. It's not done yet. In some locations, well, we've already seen 2 to 3 inches of rain. Now, this is better than dealing with winter weather, but still can cause headaches, especially out there on your commute. So just take it easy. From personal experience, I've hydroplaned before. Don't be in a rush to get there safely. That's the most important thing because there's a lot of water on some of our area roadways, and temperatures are relatively mild. We're in the 50s, but you can see that frontal system is now right across central Mississippi. On the south side, warm, moist air feels like spring in the 60s, a little bit cooler as you head north across the state. So Tunica, Oxford, cold rain this morning, cool rain in Clarksdale at 48, 55 into Greenwood, 54 here in Greenville, lower 40s into central Arkansas with warmer temperatures off to the south. So as we track out the rest of your Friday, you know, we finally made it. It's almost the weekend, but we're going to be dealing with these showers through the mid-morning, and it looks like the heaviest axis of rain going to set up right along Highway 82 and northbound. Not as much rain going into places like Yazoo City, Jackson, or into Vicksburg, but look how warm it's going to get to our south. Some locations will push 80 degrees, especially in southern Mississippi today. We'll generally be in the 60s and maybe lower 70s into portions of the area, but we're going to stay active. We're going to have more moisture coming through and scattered showers possible later this evening into the overnight hours. Now, it's not going to be widespread rain, more of a hit and miss shower, so you'll be dodging and ducking showers as we move forward into the weekend because we're going to keep a wet pattern ahead. Several more inches of rain possible this morning into the afternoon hours in spots, especially again north of Highway 82. You can kind of see where that bullseye is setting up from El Dorado across northern Mississippi into Tupelo, right along that Highway 82 corridor and northbound. An additional 2 to 4 inches of rain through Tuesday. Some locations could end up with 7 to 8 inches of rain over the next 5 to 6 days, including what we had last night. So again, that's going to lead to some flash flooding concerns, especially considering we're going to continue to see this active pattern ahead. So just have your rain gear with you at all times because it's going to be a rainy couple of days. We also have the threat for some severe storms today. Well, actually not really much of a threat, more just generalized thunderstorms. Earlier we had a marginal threat, which was level 1 out of 5. Now we still could have an isolated strong storm, but at least the severe threat not very high today, and no tornadoes to worry about. But again, we're getting closer to that severe weather season. April and May, kind of that peak. So continue to have your plan in place, and we'll get ready for what could be coming later on in the year. But for today, temperatures in the 60s, periods of heavy rain. Again, an isolated severe storm or two can't be ruled out. For tonight, 58, scattered showers continuing, and tomorrow, check out these temperatures, 73. Could have some breaks in the clouds here and there. A few scattered showers and thunderstorms, more like a summertime variety as we go into your Saturday. Then Sunday, another round of really heavy rain comes in, temperatures of 74, so going to be very warm. Cools down a little bit heading into next week, but the active pattern with multiple chances of rain will continue. So stay dry and have your umbrella handy at all times. That's going to wrap it up for your morning weather. Now to you, Tamara.